Hey guys, today let's learn how to generate AI selfies with Snapchat Dreams. So if you guys would like to go ahead and generate your own Snapchat AI generated selfies using this new Snapchat Dream option, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so this is going to be pretty easy because what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Snapchat application. Now once we're already here, I would like you guys to proceed with launching your camera screen and swiping up to see your memories. Now once you're already on your memories, what I want you to go ahead and proceed from here is to go ahead and tap on this Dreams tab. Now what this shows you is the option to create AI portraits and as well AI generated selfies using Snapchat Dreams. So what we need to do from here is to tap on Create Dreams, agree to its terms and conditions and privacy policy, and what we need to do is to basically scan our faces. So as you see, we have specific sides of faces that we need to show on the camera. The first one being look straight at the camera. The next one is looking at the side. The other side, up and down. So you need to go ahead and complete this before you proceed with using the AI generated selfies from Snapchat Dream. So I'm going to go ahead and do this real quick and get back to you guys. Alright you guys, so once you've already taken your own photos that basically the Snapchat Dream AI software will use to generate your selfies, all we need to do is to tap on done once you're happy and then choose your preferred body type. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. It's now going to upload my selfies. Tap on yes. And then as you notice, in order for us to actually create our first dream, we need to select a pack to do so. So basically 8 dreams cost $1. So we could actually go ahead and proceed with doing this and actually, well, avail this subscription so that we could use this feature. So in this case, you could go ahead and try unlock this Snapchat Dreams for I think $1 at least. And then you could now use all of the features related to a Snapchat Dream. So this is going to be pretty easy guys, because once you have done so and availed these specific features, you can now go ahead and basically replace your faces to these specific categories and styles like professional portraits, sweater weather, time travel, career change, athletic adventures, feeling fancy, alternate universes, and back to school. So here are all the styles that you could actually utilize and use on Snapchat Dreams. So go ahead and avail this if you'd like to go ahead and use this, and that's how you guys could easily go ahead and generate selfies with Snapchat Dreams. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.